All right. If you're totally irritated with me by now about don't eat sugar, don't eat sugar, don't eat maple syrup, don't eat honey, well, we're used to eating sweet stuff. It satisfies your palate. Unfortunately, sugar creates a really strange response. If you take a tropical green plant and you grind it up to juice and you turn it into white powder, it's either heroin or cocaine or sugar. You just think of it that way. It's an addictive drug. It makes you really want more and more and more. It changes your body chemistry and makes your immune system weak and increases your risk of all sorts of inflammatory diseases, heart disease and brain disease, and it's just a bad deal to eat a whole lot of sugar. In fact, I recommend you eat virtually none except at a special occasion. So what do you do? There's pink packets that you see, blue packets that you see, and all sorts of packets that you see. The only packet that I think is a really good one is stevia. Stevia is a natural plant extract. It's squeezed out of the plant and is made into a powder, but it is not addictive. It helps to control your blood sugar and bring it down into a normal range. It's super, super sweet. You can bake with it, and I recommend that you get pure stevia that's debittered. So there's no bitterness in it because the old kind of stevia tasted kind of funky. And people decided they didn't like stevia because of that. But the new debittered stevia is awesome. It works in stuff. That's what I use in my occasional coffee in the morning. And I just love it. So, you know, that's how you live the sweet life.